Okay. We're beginning to record. I've decided not to stream through OBS again because my game footage is literally so fucking laggy, it's not even funny. We're doing... What are we doing? Cancel the autopsy in the police station, because I figured I should show you... I should show you guys a different map. So, I am recording myself. I am talking way too loud. I am recording myself on OBS. But I am recording on the Xbox. So it's gonna tell me when my recording ends. So there's gonna be like a little bit there's gonna be a little bit of stop and start. Sorry. Bah! I feel the same way, buddy. Me motherfucking too. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Sometimes open containers release psychosis gas. I don't need that. Drop it. Thank you. Anyway. Okay. I'm present. It's me! Okay. So basically I have to go around and find body. Can you please? Fire. Star. Eye. Who is screaming, bro? Will you shut the fuck up? God, bro, no one fucking cares. Who is that? Yeah, okay. Shut the fuck up. Oh! Oh, I'm gonna Am I a pussy? I'm a pussy. Will you leave, bro? God. That's not what I need. That's unfortunate. In fact, we need bandages. Bandages are for pussies. I fucking thought that was it. You guys are not ready. If the Jaeger comes for me, I am going to shit my pants so fully. Like she scares me like genuinely fucking nothing else. I don't know why. Fucking big scary lesbian. Evidence. I need to be on the hunt for some propaganda posters. Oh, wow. Would you look at that? Got it, baby. I'm so good at my job. I'm so good at my job. So I could go that way if I wanted to get back, but I don't really want to do that. I would love... You know what? Oh. So neat. Why do I fear? He's right. What the hell in fuck was that? Okay, we're grinding the first body. What are we grinding? Oh no. Oh, who is that? Who was that? No. No. Pitcher, leave me alone. Shake your dreads! Ladies. Leave me alone type shit. Shake your dreads! Ladies! If I shake my dreads, will you leave me alone? Type shit. Oh my god. You didn't like see me though. You like don't know that I'm over here. Right? Right? You don't know that I'm over here? Please? Please? Pretty please? Princess? Princess? You can run, but you cannot hide. I love brain rot. Can I get a body? Please? Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, sweet baby motherfucking Jesus. Okay. Actually, did I see a battery? Am I fucking... I'm tripping, dog. Oh. You don't say. You don't say. What am I looking? I don't even know what fucking body I'm looking for, dog. Dude, I remember this trial. I loaded in with a bunch of randoms, and, hold on. Okay. And, we were playing Psychosurgery, which is like, you know, like a harder difficulty, basically. And, I died right in that spot that you guys saw. Well, someone else died, and then I tried to go get them, and then bad things happened to me. That's what I get for trying to help. That's what I get for trying to be a good teammate. We were playing with like 2 other... Gotcha. My god, bro. Are we fucking serious? There's nothing back, like, you can't go that way, dog. Or maybe you can, maybe, you know what, I can admit when I'm wrong. Oh, towards the gymnasium. Okay, I can't fucking go that way. I haven't Okay, I have to start recording again. Sorry. It started just now and it ended right when that big motherfucking ugly ass stupid grunt was. I'm a little bit like damn. I'm a little bit like damn. Can I get a Bye. Goodbye. Ah! No! Oh, I'm running! Oh, I'm out of this motherfucking hole! Oh, I'm out of that motherfucking hole! That's my bad. You know what, it's really my fault that I play this game. It's really my fault. I keep clipping my mic, I'm sorry. It's really my fault that I do this to myself. It really is. Okay. What do you say, dog? Hey. Hello. Wow. That was... I did Sector C, and I just... Oh, there's a propaganda poster over there.
Check it out.
I don't even know who that was. Can you release Coil? Can we? I wanna see Coil. I miss him. I miss my Pookie Wookie bear. I miss him aura farming. No! No! You will not touch me! Give me... My bed! My bed! I'm such a fucking pussy. That's the conclusion that I've come to. I hate the pusher. I hate the pusher. Somebody's trying to touch on me, bro. Stop it. I don't like that, dog. Okay. Nothing. The one time the game won't glitch is when it's in my favor. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Ooh, holy battery. Give me that. 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 Ugh. Why's my reagent always... Does it really taste that good? I can't imagine it tastes that good. It's like fucking Ethan Winters. Ethan Winters, aw. I love him. I love Ethan. I should record other games. I should do that. I should record. You guys don't want to fucking see me playing Resident Evil. It's interesting. What do I have to do to just generally a body is like really what I'm in the market for right now, and I'm just like not really like getting that, and it's a little bit. I have a large battery in my inventory. Fucking stupid fucking ass. Duh. Check the coast is clear. Oh, would you look at that? This is disgusting, by the way. Like, excuse me? I'm just gonna go right back to motherfucking my accurate. Who's that? Who is that? I hate the pusher with everything in my nasty, disgusting little heart. I hate him. Always puts me in full cycles. Leave me alone. Leave me alone type shit. What's my recording at? 6:44. I'm taking too long to do this trial. I need to hurry the fuck up. I need to hurry the fuck up, is what I need to do. Is what I need to do. I go home. Okay. This fateful game. Because there's a skill called Door Trap Breaker, and if you have it, you can just open doors like, you know, willy-nilly, whatever, it doesn't matter, because the door trap just breaks. But otherwise you get like fucking impaled, bro. When I say impaled, I mean fucking impaled with this like rod, like electric rod or something, and it takes fucking forever. It's just not a good, it's not a good time for me personally. Who is, stop it. If you are, stop it.
You let me die.
Sounds like a fucking pouncer to me. I hate pouncers. That's who've been getting me this whole time. Oh my god, why was I walking? God! Yeah. Ooh. Is like tighter than where in the bin? Finna be in the bin. Oh my god, it's Pusher. It's Pusher. You know what? He always makes my day a little bit brighter with those Molotovs that he throws directly in my face. I love it. I love it so much. You know what I'm gonna do? Okay. I stopped the recording. And I started it again. Why is my controller buzzing like that? Pusher, will you stop camping, please? Pretty please. I'm sick of it. I I am not A+ing this. I've found one propaganda poster. I'm gonna fucking kill you, dude. I'm gonna fucking murder you. I'm gonna beat the motherfucking shit out of you. I'm gonna make you wish you were never. Bye! She totally saw me getting here, bro. Maybe not? Whose shadow is that? Am I geeked? I'm geeked. Where is that? Oh yeah. That's Coil. That's Coil. That's who it is. Why is he just aura farming?
Easy there.
Mind the badge. That was like not good gameplay at all. Yeah, 21, that's embarrassing, honestly. If I'd gotten one more propaganda poster, that would have been A+. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah. That's... When did I trigger it? Oh. Accidentally. Yeah. Not awful. And we got a little bit of a level up. Cheers? Is that what they say? Across the pond. I don't really know. My British accent's not that great. It's like TV British, not British. It's TV British, not like real life British, I guess. I don't really know. Rate my British accent 1 to 10. Also, yeah, I totally like was sleepy. I just woke up and then I was like, let's record some gameplay. So I did. Anyway. I think that's enough. I think that's enough recording.